Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. Firstly, I would like to thank to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And also, I'm requesting to the new watchers to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for supporting and encouraging me. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a category in machine learning, that is supervised learning. Those who haven't watched my previous videos, you can go into my playlist and watch all the videos that I have posted so that you can get a clear understanding of what exactly a machine learning and what are the types in the machine learning. So in today's video, we are going to discuss only about supervised learning, and also I'm going to show you some examples of what type from a problem statement so that you can identify which type of problem it is and what exactly it belongs to. And also I'm posting a few questions so that you can answer me in the comment section, and we will be discussing about those answers in our next video. So let us dive deep into the video. Firstly, supervised learning is part of a machine learning. That means it is one of the category of machine learning. In supervised learning, you will be having a labeled target data. That means whatever the target variable that is present, so that label must be, that target value must be labeled. That means you will be having a question answer. Whenever if you have a new question, you can ask the algorithm to tell the answer so that it will understand what it have learned from the data that you have given, and it can able to answer it more appropriately. So that is called a supervised learning. Coming to its classification types, we have basically two types in the supervised learning. First thing is a classification, second thing is regression. So what exactly these mean? So classification. In classification, we are having a target variable which is a categorical variable. That means you will be having some categories in your target variable, and there are multiple types in classifications. For suppose in your target variable, if you have two classes, then it is a binary classification problem, and if you have more than two classes, then it is multi-class classification problem. Coming to the next type, that is regression. A regression means in our target label, we have a continuous value. That means a numerical value. So always make a note. So target variable is continuous or category. If it is category, it is classification. If it is numeric or continuous value, then it is regression. And in your target variable, if there are only two classes, then it is a binary classification problem. And if you have more than two classes, then it is multi-class classification problem. Let us see some examples. I'm using here a Kaggle datasets which are very easy to download and also to work with. And also I will make a video for the people who want to practice projects in data science. So where we can find a good amount of data sets and how you can download it and use it. So my next video will be on that. So I will be posting that so that it will be helpful to some of the people who are working. Now coming to the examples. So here, this is one data set where we are exploring the water quality. So what exactly this means? So this data set consists of the following labels, that is city, region, country, air quality, water pollution, pH value, hardness, solids, chloramis, sulfate, conductivity, organic carbon, trihalomethanes, turbidity and potability. So the potability is our target variable, and this target variable consists of a value called 0 or 1. If it is 0, then it means it true or false. That means whether the water is suitable for human consumption, potable or not. So that is our target variable. So basically we are having two values, that is either 0 or 1. That is whether the water can be able to consume or not. So this is clearly indicating that this is a classification problem, and it is also a binary classification problem. So this is how you can identify what type of problem it is from the data set. And this is a preliminary step in our data science project. As we discussed in our previous videos, what are exactly the steps that are needed in our data science project. So always ensure that what is your target variable and what is present in your target variable. So this will give you an indication of what type of problem it is. So this is how you can identify the problem type. Next, I'm going to show you other thing that is Walmart sales data set. So in the Walmart sales data set, we are having this particular columns, that is store number, date, that means the week start date, weekly sales value, holiday flag, that means whether it is a holiday or not that particular day, and the temperature in that region, the fuel price in that region, and the consumer price index, and also the unemployment rate. And you can find what are the sales of the Walmart in that particular day or that particular month. However, this is a regression problem because you are identifying the sales. Sales is a number. Number is a continuous value. So that means it is a continuous variable. That means it is a regression problem. Got it? And also there will be like some categories where you will be have only numbers, not numerical value. So there will be such types also, but we will be discussing that. But don't confuse as of now. Always remember categorical value, classification. Numerical or continuous value, regression. Always remember this so that you won't confuse. And we will deal with different types of data set in our future videos where we will be working on different types of problems, also the code. Okay, so don't worry about that. Always make sure now how you can identify a particular problem based on its target value. Only remember that so that you won't confuse. Okay, so from this you can identify that this is a regression problem. So in this way you can identify the data set. Next, coming to this data set, that is Stanford Docs data set. So Docs data set consists of the following: number of categories, number of images, and annotations. So basically we have 120 categories. So as you simply say, this is a classification problem, and also this is a multi-class classification problem because we have 120 categories, so which is not a binary. So this is how you can identify a particular data set and a particular problem type in for our data set. Got it? So I'm going to post you these questions. So your first question will be on this. So you are provided with a data set containing the information about credit card transactions, including features such as transaction amount, merchant category, and transaction time. Your task is to predict whether a transaction is fraudulent or not. Is this problem a classification or regression problem, and why? So you please comment your answer in the comment section. And your second question will be on this. Suppose you are given a data set containing the information about the real estate properties, including features such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and location. Your task is to predict the selling price of houses based on these features. Is this a problem, a classification, or regression, and why? And the third question is, you have a data set containing the information about different species of flowers, including features such as petal length, petal width, and sepal length. Your task is to classify each flower in one of the three species, that is setosa, versicolor, and virginica. Is this problem a classification or regression? Why? So I hope you can answer all these three questions. Please answer in the comment section, and we will be going to discuss about these answers in our next video. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I have given you some useful information about the machine learning types as well as the supervised learning algorithm. So I will give a quick summary for this. So in today's video, we learned about supervised learning. So there are two types: classification, regression. In classification, we have the target value as a labeled data. So if you have two classes, it is binary. If you have more than two classes, it is multi-class. And regression is nothing but a continuous value. If you have a target value as a continuous label or continuous value, it is nothing but a regression problem. So this is what we have learned. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.